Hi guys, today we'll be discussing what is retesting. Before we proceed, I'll request you to please subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed so that you will be not missing any important updates. Let's discuss about what is retesting. Whenever development team fixed any defect, testing team will test the defect to ensure the defect is fixed or not. That is called retesting. Okay. So testing team will close the defect. Testing team will close the defect if it is working as expected, and if it is not working as expected, then they will reopen it and assign back to the development team again. Now understand when you should go for retesting. So always retesting will be done before regression testing. Let me give an example here. Okay, so let's say in build 1 you found some defects. Okay, so suppose you got defect 1, defect 2, defect 3. So what you have to do is you have to report those defects to the development team. Then developers will be working on those defects and then they'll be releasing build 2. In build 2 you have to do the retesting of those defects. Whatever defects you have found in build 1, you have to retest those defects to ensure whether the defect is fixed or not. If the defect is fixed, then you can close the defects, and if it is not fixed, then again you have to reassign back to the development team by changing the status to reopen, and the cycle keeps on going. That is what all about retesting. Let me summarize here. Retesting means testing the defects of previously failed test cases to ensure whether the defect is fixed or not. That is called retesting. Thank you.